Good day, children. How are you all? I'm sure you must be fine. Okay, children, we started a new chapter in our last session, which is our sense organs. So, today I'm going to quickly take you what we learned. Okay, so we learned how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Our ears, which gives us sense of hearing. Our eyes, which gives the sense of sight, the ability to see. Then our nose gives us sense of smelling, and our tongue gives us sense to taste the things. And the last but not the least, the sense of touch, which comes by touching the skin. Okay, so 5 sense organs and 5 senses. Okay, what else did we talk about? We talked about how are if there are some people who are not able to see clearly, like me, what do I have to do? I use spectacles to see the things properly, right? Similarly, there are some people who cannot hear properly to some extent. For them, they use a device known as hearing aid to improve their hearing ability. Do you want to see how hearing aid looks like? Let's take a look. Okay. See, this person here is wearing this hearing aid which helps her improve the hearing ability. Right. Next, what else did we talk about? We got to learn that there are some people who cannot see at all. We call them blind. And how do they understand? How do they read the things if they do not have the sense of sight? Then they use a special written language written in the form of round marks or raised dots like they are raised from the level of paper. Once they will feel their fingers, move their fingers on those letters, they would be able to understand what is written on it. You want to see? See. Okay, here this is how this written language looks like. It's known as Braille language. It's written in the form of dots or round marks. So once a person will feel the fingers, feel the dots with the fingers, they'll be able to understand what is written on it, like letter A, B, C, D, and so on. Okay? So this special language is called Braille. Now, for the people who are not able to listen at all, they cannot improve their hearing capacity using a hearing aid also. So, for them, they have to use either the sign language to understand other people, or they use the language of movement of lips. Like for them, you have to speak slowly so that they can understand from the lip movement what you are trying to tell them. Okay, so they understand the things from your lip read. All right, so this was all about your eyes and ears. Now today I'll tell you a little bit about the rest of the sense organs as well. Let's come to tongue. Okay, we know that when we taste the food, either your food tastes sweet or salty or bitter or sour, right? There are mainly these 4 tastes. Now, how your tongue helps you to differentiate about what kind of taste it is. So, for that, there are tiny bumps on your tongue, which we call them taste buds. Okay, so taste buds help us to decide whether the food is sweet, bitter, salty, or sour. Got it? Then comes your nose. When we smell the things, they help you find out whether it is stinking or whether it is a pleasing smell, right? So there are some organs inside, there are special cells inside your nose which helps you in smelling the things. These are known as olfactory cells. Okay? Plus we already know that nose helps you breathe and the hair inside the nose helps cleaning the air that we are breathing in, right? So it is important for our respiration as well. Got it? Then the last one is your sense of touch. Now kids, remember when you touch a very hot thing, let's say you touch a hot tawa or hot pan just by mistake. What is your instant reaction? You touch it and you instantly take your finger up, just like that, right? Similarly, when you're touching something cold, then also you take your hand away like that. So, what are you doing? What kind of reaction is this? And what is that thing in your body which is causing this reaction? There are special cells on the surface of the skin known as receptors. So once they come in contact with hot or cold things, they send message to your brain, and your brain tells you to take your hand away to protect it from burning, right? So they are known as receptor cells. Understood? For tongue we have taste buds, for nose we have nasal cells, olfactory cells, and for skin we have receptor cells which sends messages to the brain. In all, your brain is something which connects all the five sense organs together. Okay, so brain is like a powerhouse which is controlling all the senses of our body. All right, that's all about sense organs. Now in next video we will talk about our workbook exercises as well. Good day. Bye.